Today is December 5th, 2020. Time is 6:14 p.m. Have a good evening. Before starting session, let's start with deep breaths. Press the given button. You will be guided through the activities based on how long you are working in certain interval of time. Breath in. Breath out. 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 You may enjoy your virtual physical, stress-free environment. It will take only 1 minute and 30 seconds to stretch out your body stress out. Stretch your both hands up for 10 seconds. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bend down and stretch your both hands towards your legs for 10 seconds. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Press fists of both hands to itself, and then stretch fingers outwards for 10 times. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stretch your left palm with right palm upwards for 10 seconds. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stretch your left palm with right palm downwards for 10 seconds. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stretch your right palm with left palm upwards for 10 seconds. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stretch your right palm with left palm downwards for 10 seconds. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Spread your legs, touch your toes alternatively rapidly, for 30 seconds. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Take on boxing stance with left leg and fist at front, start kicking high with right leg for 5 times, shout high. Begin. 1. It's 6:20 p.m., time for medicine. Chuck Norris doesn't use GUI, he prefers command line. Those aren't credits that roll after Walker Texas Ranger. It is actually a list of fatalities that occurred during the making of the episode. Doing what you love is the cornerstone of having abundance in your life. Character develops itself in the stream of life. Book of the day is Motivation. Written by Robert C. Beck. Stan Lee, co-creator of Daredevil, was worried that blind people would be offended by how much he exaggerated the way a blind person's other senses are enhanced. Then he started receiving letters telling him that blind people greatly enjoyed having the comics read to them.